here. You notice this tree over here to your right here.
Right. Okay.
With those big fruits.
Yeah.
That's the jackfruit.
Oh, right, okay.
That's a jackfruit tree. Those grow very big. When it's ripe, you cut it open and some big pegs in it. Take away the pegs and then you eat it. It's sweet. Have a sweet taste. Okay guys, if you look to your right here, you see how the banana come out of that purple padding?
Yeah.
That's how it started out first. The banana out of that, it come out of the heart and then those leaves fall off and then the finger come out. One banana, we call it a finger.
Yeah.
And more than one finger, we call it a hand. And more than one hand, you call it a bunch. If you notice also, beneath those purple padding, the banana finger turn down like that.
Yeah.
As soon as they start to get sunlight, look at the other one to your right. You see they turn upward?
Yeah.
They're gonna turn upward, okay? One banana tree cannot produce more than one bunch of banana. When that banana is fully mature, they cut it down. If you notice at the side, some other one coming up ready to produce another bunch of banana. You see those big vaccine station, those big banana plantation back there?
Yeah.
They would go to the banana plantation in the days and cut the banana and take it to the boxing station. They mostly put the banana in box in night. So they would sing song to keep them awake. So it's how this song come along. Maybe you didn't know that it's a working song. I'm gonna sing a line of it. Me say day, oh. Daylight come on, me want to go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, you tally me banana. Daylight come on, me want to go home. 6 hand, 7 hand, 8 hand, 9 hand bunch. Daylight come on, me want to go home. Me say day, oh. Daylight come on, me want to go home. You drink white rum till you tumble down. Daylight come on, me want to go home. You didn't know that is a working song. Yeah man, those songs keep you awake, okay? Like